Expert Chet Davis here with a quick video tip. I was asked by a colleague earlier this week. He said, Chet, how can I save out or archive the custom menus I create, the DVD menus inside of Arabesque? And I said, well, I believe you can do that using the archives function, which you may know is in the system settings, and I recommend you do this before you do an installation of the operating system. It's a good idea to do a clean install when you can. It's a good idea, spring cleaning, because data on a hard drive can become corrupt over time, whether it's a Casablanca or a Windows or a Mac PC, whatever. This stuff happens. So if you get a corruption on your hard drive, it's important to make sure that the things that you use regularly, the things that you took a lot of time to create, are backed up or archived in this case. My colleague said, I'm not sure it's still saved. So I said, aha, I love Sherlock Holmes. Okay, I love a good mystery, especially when we can solve it. And that's what we're going to do today. What is saved inside of the archives when you back up archives in your Casablanca? So I fired up my Casablanca. This is Bogart for Windows, and this is running Bogart for Windows version 10. And I've inserted a USB flash drive into my device. So I'm running the Casablanca 4 Studio Pro. So we're going to go into settings here, and we're going to go down to archives. Okay, save or restore your archives. And we're going to back these up. It's going to say, well, where do you want to back them up? So let's go ahead and back them up on this external hard drive. Okay, and let's call it archives backup. I'm very clever right now. Okay, and you see the little hourglass symbol, and the backup has successfully succeeded. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pull out that USB flash drive from my Casablanca 4 Studio Pro. Actually, we'll just go ahead and leave it in there. Because it's the Bogart for Windows, it's nice because I can just leave it right on the computer. So I'm going to go ahead and close down the Bogart. And let's go ahead and open up our computer here. And we're going to open up a file. And let's go ahead and open up that flash drive. And you can see there's the archives backup, right? So let's open that up and see exactly what's saved inside of the archives. So I have two effects that are saved there. And let's see what we have here under miscellaneous. I have background settings. And another, looks like an effects menu saving. So let's go ahead inside of the image pool. And these are all the custom images that are saved inside my image pool. So it's backing those up as well. And let's look inside programs. And here's Arabesque. And there you can see there are the different menus that are I created myself. So the developer menus are saved inside of the Arabesque program, the Arabesque application. These are ones that I created myself. So it does in fact confirm that it has archived or saved those menus. So if we take a look, see Arabesque 7 main, and then we have B7 main menu, that's Bogart 7. And then we have, let's see another one, CBX DVD main menu. Let's show you exactly what I'm talking about when we see those. So I'm going to go ahead and reopen the Bogart for Windows application. And we're going to pop down here inside of Arabesque. And we're going to go to Menu Templates. We're going to load one. And let's go to My Templates. And you can see that the names do match. Arabesque 7 main. B7 main menu, CBX DVD main menu. So those are the custom menus that I created inside of Arabesque, and they are saved out in that archive. So when I install the operating system onto a new computer or onto this computer, onto this Casablanca, like I do an operating system installation from scratch, it will allow me to bring those back in so I don't have to take all the time to recreate them. Casablanca expert Chet Davis saying, thanks for joining me on this sleuthing today. I hope you found that useful. It's a way to determine, again, what's being saved. Now, you don't have to go ahead and do this. It will be saved inside of yours. Now, I should also point out that my Title Studio archive, I have some Title Studio effects saved here as well. So this allows me to see the custom things that I have in fact saved in my Casablanca archives.